Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can quote someone on Reddit. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you are on Reddit and found a post or a comment that you want to quote, what you need to do is just go over on the comment and here you can see you can type in your comment, whatever it is, and you also get a bunch of options. Now, in order to quote someone, you are going to want to copy their text. For example, I copied this. Just paste it in here. Once I've done that, I'm just going to go over on the little button with three dots, as you can see right here on this line. This should open up a menu like this, and here I'm going to select the second option, which is quote block. As you can see right here, now I quote that message and just press comment button, and as you can see right here, now I quoted that comment. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. This is how you can quote someone on Reddit. It's really easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.